Hello everyone and welcome to our technique series that I love to say the wisdom of technique. Alright, so last tutorial we did the E minor, that is the relative of G major. So G major has one sharp, E minor has the one sharp as well. So right now if we're going up on our circle of fifth, right? So we're going to find the D major with two sharps. So I hope you did see the other tutorial on D major. So this is D major. So we're having F sharp and C sharp. You know by now how to count them. F, C, cut that. My bad. A sharp, E sharp, B flat, B sharp. What is with me? Because I'm thinking of the D major, okay? So D major has two sharps. And right now we're gonna do the B minor, okay? So again, we're having three kinds, as all minors has. B natural, B harmonic, so B minor natural, B minor harmonic, and B minor melodic. The B minor natural goes exactly the same like the D major, and I will explain this easily. Right? So you just start with B, end with B, and apply these two sharps. F sharp and C sharp, right? B, C sharp, D, E, F sharp, G, A, B, A, G, F sharp, E, B, C, B. Pay attention, the left hand is going to be a little tricky because the left hand in B minor, it will start with finger number 4, like in B major scale. So if you didn't practice the B major scale, that it does have 5 sharps, you need to practice this left hand because it's gonna be okay if you only do one octave. When you do 2 octaves, you really gotta adjust yourself with the left hand. It's a different feeling. It's not hard. It's just different feeling of coordination when it's 3, when it's 4, when you turn and stuff like that. So let's do the B minor natural on the left hand. B, C sharp, D, E, and here you do it number 4. Okay, on F sharp, G, A, B. So this would be the natural way. Do practice this. This transition because it's different. And 4, G, A, B, A, G, F sharp, E, B, C, B. Okay, so let's put it together and pay attention. B, C sharp, D, E, F sharp is with number 4 on the left hand. Right hand. Again, B on the left hand starts with finger number 4. Right? So right now, as I always said, I would like you to practice more on the harmonic way because that's how mostly all the songs are composed, with in harmonic mode. And if it is a B minor, you will find a lot of harmonic mode. And what I mean by that, instead of playing the A natural, you're gonna play the A sharp, right? So you do play exactly the same thing. And the thingy, it's a thingy. I don't know, for me it's funny to say it because it's this interval here that I want you to practice is gonna make it harmonic. Left hand. So practice couple of times. Right hand. Couple of times left hand. Replay. 4 right now, both hands. Pay attention, left hand, number 4 on F sharp, and do the thingy. And right now, just practice that. You see, I'm adding one more note, 2 notes, and then one more note, and then back to the top. That's the way how to practice both hands to get used. Good. And if you want to go further, you stop in here and you're gonna turn number 3. Pay attention, number 3. Not 4 like all the other scales. So turn 3 left hand, because here is going to be number 4 on F sharp, right? So just from here, you see, is 1 and 1 is like you would be number 4 here as you start, right? But you are on 1. And right now, number 3 left hand, right. And back. And 3 here. Pay attention here. 4, obviously. And then 3 right hand, right? Just because you can do that in probably a year if you go slow and slow and slow and always slow. It's gonna get you really farther and faster than you think. So don't speed up, okay? I'm gonna go just very easily on the melodic way just for you to show you. So again, we have it. So these 2 notes right now, the last 2 notes of the scale, we're not gonna play it regular notes or natural white keys, right? Like in natural way. In the melodic way, both of them you playing it sharps, right? And then when you come back, you go like in natural way. So it would sound like that. And natural going back. Natural, and back into the sharps, our sharps. So our F sharp and C sharps, they will always be there, right? Because again, B minor is the relative of the D major, and D major has 2 sharps, B minor has 2 sharps. So never, when you open a book and you look to see, you know, what key signature you see 2 sharps, you will not know which one is it, if it's a major or if it's a minor, right? But then if you play through it or you look mostly on the left hand, you will see that the left hand, it might or might not start with the combination of the chord, but it must end in any combination of the chord on the 5th, on the 3rd, when it is in D minor. If it's in D major, left hand definitely, and the right hand will end in a major chord as being D major. So you gotta just play a little bit with it and you will figure it out. It's a happy song or it's a slow or you know, a different feeling, more romantic feeling. Thank you so much, and I hope I didn't talk too much. Woo! And guess what? The next one is gonna be F sharp minor. That F sharp minor is the relative of A major. So 3 sharps next time. Thank you. Practice.